Hey, Jav, you know they butchered this shit, right?
What do you mean?
Look at look at the bank. On the opposite side where the tree is.
Yeah.
Look all the weeds are gone.
Oh yeah.
Reaper's in the water.
I don't know, dude. I was paying attention to you.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, it's recording.
He just like fell in, all I heard boom, boom, boom. I'm like, what the fuck? And I see him.
I was about to jump in and I don't know if I got it on camera, but I was looking at him.
You got that towel, right?
It's in the whip.
Good. What?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, Reaper, come on.